In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a smart list in Gohighlevel. To get started, open Gohighlevel and make sure you're inside the correct account or location where you want this smart list to live. Since smart lists are used to organize and filter contacts more efficiently, it's helpful to know in advance what kind of group you want to create. For example, you may want a list based on contact details, status, or other specific criteria available in your account. Once you're on the main Gohighlevel screen, look over to the left-hand side of the page. This is where you'll find the primary navigation menu. The menu gives you access to different areas of the platform, and for this task, we'll be working inside the Contacts section. From that left side menu, click on Contacts. This will take you to the area where all of your contact records are stored and managed. If you already have existing contacts in the system, you'll likely see them listed here. This section is also where smart lists can be created to help you quickly segment and view specific groups of contacts without sorting through everything manually each time. Next, click on Add Smart List. This option will open the setup panel you need in order to create a new list. In many cases, this appears as a pop-up or side panel on the right-hand side of the screen, so keep an eye there once you select it. When the panel appears on the right, type in the smart list name. Choose a name that clearly describes the purpose of the list, so it's easy to recognize later. A clear, specific name can save time, especially if you plan to create multiple smart lists for different contact groups. After naming the list, select Fields. This is the part where you define the conditions or filters that determine which contacts belong in the smart list. Take a moment here to choose the appropriate field options carefully because these settings control how your list is built and what results it shows. Being precise here helps make the smart list more useful and accurate. Once you've finished selecting the fields, click on Create. That will save your new smart list and make it available in your contacts area. From there, you can use it to quickly access the filtered group of contacts whenever you need it. And that's it. That's how to add a smart list in Gohighlevel.